Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI, Toxo IgM CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI, Toxo IgM CLIA Chemiluminescence Immunoassay method. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 25 ml buffer, 22.5 ml AB label, 25 ml dilute, 2 ml internal quality control. Over here we can see the reference number 1302120002M, then lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see the pictorial representation of this kit. The instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. This is C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is overall front view of this product. I am going to see the other angles. On this side we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. On the other side we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. On the other side we can see the product name MAGLUMI, Toxo IgM, reference number 1302120002M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, the first one is instruction manual. Here we can see the Snibe Dynastic MAGLUMI Toxo IgM CLIA. The reference number for this product is 1302120002M for 100 tests. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the intended use, summary and explanation, principle of the test, kit components, accessories. These are the stuff inside this instruction manual. I can keep this aside. And the next one is a quality control information. Here we can see the MAGLUMI Toxo IgM CLIA quality control information, internal quality control, and lot number, then target value, range, node stability. These are the information inside this quality control information. And the next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal, Toxo IgM, total of 3 nurses. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Dynastic. And the next one is a Toxo IgM internal quality control stickers, total of 4 nurses of stickers. And the next one is MAGLUMI internal quality control solution, volume of 2 ml. Here you can see clearly MAGLUMI internal quality control, volume of 2 ml. And keep this aside. And the next one is a reagent kit MAGLUMI Toxo IgM. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 25 ml buffer, 22.5 ml AB label, 25 ml dilute. Here we go for summary. Today we can see a Snibe Dynastic MAGLUMI Toxo IgM. This kit contains one instruction manual, a quality control information, reagent seal 3 nurses, internal quality control stickers 4 nurses, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Dynastic, a internal quality control solution volume of 2 ml, a reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 25 ml buffer, 22.5 ml AB label, 25 ml dilute. Thank you.